Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. We are all aware that nowadays learning a foreign language is in trend. Everyone wants to have a good career, want to grab a good job. After doing academics, after studying, everybody wants to upgrade himself or herself. Somebody acquires technical skills, some people acquire some other kind of skills. Learning a foreign language is also a type of skills that is very popular nowadays. There are so many foreign languages like German, French, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, etc. But which language is more useful for you? Which language can provide you good job opportunity? Since I am a German language trainer, I can tell you more about German language. But this is not the answer. What I want to tell you that you must learn a language, any language, with full dedication. You should have interest in that particular language. Without interest, no success. Without dedication, no success. Whether it's German or Korean or Portuguese or any other language. If you don't have desire, if you don't have interest, if you are not ready to do hard work while learning a language, success is not for you. God helps who helps themselves. We are all aware about this phrase and it's absolutely correct. If you are ready to do hard work, if you have time to study and revise on daily basis, yes, then you can bring lot of flying colors. You can get success, you can have a good job, you can earn lot of money. Now come to the question, which language is more useful? I can tell you that nowadays there are a lot of job opportunities in German market. After learning German language, people are getting very handsome salary. Even as a fresher, you can have lot of good amount in your pocket after a month. As a fresher, I can tell you that you can start your salary from 20,000 and goes up to 30-35,000. That depends upon your communication skills, that depends upon your negotiation during the interview HR round, plus your qualification. Although you are a fresher, but if you have good command over the language, you can get good salary. Salary is not a constraint, okay, for a deserving candidate. You can get more than 20,000, you can get more than 30,000 per month. Now I am talking about only fresher who have no work experience, just passed out from the college or finished language. You can earn lot of good amount of money, and with the passage of time, as you get more work experience, you can get more salary. And again, there is no limit. You can score 1 lakh, you can get 2 lakh per month. Yes, there are students, there are professionals now, I would say, who are earning 2 lakhs per month, 1.5 lakh per month. It's a big amount. 1 lakh per month is a big amount, but there is a history behind that. They have studied the language, they have learned the language properly, they have good command over the language, and after that they have appeared for the interview, they passed, and now they are getting this much salary, very handsome salary, very good salary. You can also do the same. So my advice, learn the language, any language. Now I come to the point, I am not talking about German. This kind of salary you can get even in other languages also, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Italian, etc. There are so many foreign languages. Doors are open. There are wide range of horizons. You can make your career. Since I am aware about German language, so I am telling you about German. But of course, there are good opportunities in other languages also. I am not saying learn only this language or this language is better, this language is not better. There is a scope. There is a scope if you have good command over the language. The point is that having good command over the language. If you have acquired good communication skills, if you are good at writing, reading and speaking, definitely you can have a lot of job opportunities. It's in your hand where to apply, which company to join. It's in your hand. Ball is in your hand because you have the good skills, and every employer, every company wants to have a good candidate, very good candidate who can do a lot of work for them. If a company is paying you 50,000 per month, they want that you work hard for the company. You can deal with all kinds of projects. You can work in any kind of profile that suits you. So you have good command over the language. That is your priority. Once you have good command over the language, you have good fluency. Of course, speaking skills must, writing skills must. You should be able to deal with the clients. You should be able to communicate with the clients. You should be able to translate the document in the target language. If you are able to do that, yes, you can get a good job. You can earn a lot of money. There are people who have done advanced level in a particular language, but they are not able to find a job because they don't have good command. This is the reason. This is the reason, or they do not want to go into that particular field. Being a fresher, you should get a job. Being a fresher, you should start working anywhere. I would say just get some experience, learn something, how to work in a corporate, how to work in a particular workplace. You should learn that. You should get some work experience, and in the second job, then you will feel more comfortable during interview. You have a lot of knowledge apart from foreign language. You know the work culture. You are aware about the work profile. You know how to work in the company. You are aware about the company ethics and rules that are more important after first job. So if you are a fresher, I would suggest start working with any company. Don't go for a brand name, just start working anywhere, okay, and get some experience. After getting experience, you will have a lot of confidence that will reflect in your personality, that will reflect in your behavior. That is called interpersonal and communication skills. This skill you cannot acquire by sitting at home. You have to start your career. You have to take the first step. So first thing, have good command over the language. How can you do that? Learn every day, practice every day. Give as much time as you can. There is no limit that you can do till B1 or till C1. No, I would say acquire good knowledge. There are students who can speak well only after doing B1. There are students who can do well only after finishing B2. And there are students who cannot speak even after doing C1. It depends upon the students. It depends upon your capacity, how good you are at learning the language. Every person has its own capacity. So just find out your capacity level, your ability, and start learning, start doing hard work. Don't compare that he has done 3 levels within 6 months, somebody has done 4 levels or 3 levels within 8 months or 1 year. So how much time I would take? It depends upon your ability. It depends upon your capacity. If you put in more hard work, definitely you can acquire faster. Chances are less that you will forget. If you stop learning after finishing the level, you should continue with the practice unless you find a good job. What is the common mistake? After finishing particular B1, B2 level, students stop learning, and when they appear for the interview, they forget. They don't have that kind of command that they used to have. So don't stop. Continue with the learning process. Keep learning every day. Keep studying every day. Keep practicing every day, even after finishing the level. Don't stop yourself. I am teaching German. I am learning every day. It's a lifelong process. It's never ending process. So just if you want to acquire a job, have good command over the language, study hard with full dedication, full passion, unless you get a good job, unless you get a first job if you are a fresher. And if you have an experience, if you have 2 to 3 years of experience, you can get a good job easily. Plus your language skills, that will take you far away. That will fetch you a good job for you. So my suggestion, any language, just you should have proper dedication, full passion. You can make your career in any language that you want. European language, Southeast Asian language, any other language. I am not going to name any particular language because I think there is a career, there is a scope after learning any foreign language. People are making career even after learning English, and we are talking about German, French, Spanish, Portuguese. So why not you? If somebody can earn 1 lakh or 50,000 after learning English, why can't you earn after learning German or French or Spanish? You can do that. So the question is, be ready for the hard work. Keep doing hard work with passion, dedication, unless you get a good job for yourself. And definitely you will get a job. Lot of opportunities, no scarcity. There are jobs in the market, but there is scarcity of skilled person, a good command skills person, a person who has good command over the language. These people are less. These people are not sufficient in the market. So company has to do sometime compromise with the skilled. If you have good command, you will get a job of your desire. You can get a good amount of salary. You can do good negotiation because you have the skill, you have the ability. So why to compromise with the salary? They will provide you. They want the candidate like you who can do lot of work for them. I hope I have enhanced your motivation level for learning a language. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.